Hello everyone. This product is about managing your subscription more effectively and using data provider better solutions. Using myself as an example, I listed my most frequently used subscription to see where my money was going. Seeing all my subscriptions in one place give me the ability to see which one is worth spending my money on. Before these solutions, users would have to individually go into each product to change or cancel their subscription. Sometimes, as a user me, I even forgot my password and username. I need to go through the resetting process with even more steps. I did some research, similar product in the market. They are either listed chatbot, which are not efficient, or focus on only one piece of information, limiting what I can see. Truebill provide the data recommendations with no context. My solution focuses on making sure users are spending money owning on subscriptions that are worth it. But the worst is which subscription am I spending most of the time on it? Time is valuable. I want to stop users from the wasting money on subscription that they don't use it. Two features I think will be very helpful. Allow me to turn on or turn off the subscription very easy. I can see the chart where I spend most of my time. Let's take a look at the final. On the top, you can see the search bar all setting. On the left, subscription that need attention are called out in the sidebar where easily toggle on or off. Moving to the top of the page, user can find a clear and easy to read chart highlighting their subscription usage. Usage standard is adjustable. User can reset the bar depending on how many hours they want to show. Apps whose monthly usage falls below the standard will appear red, or users can easily see which subscription have been used last. So this way they can better manage which app or subscription to keep or which app to rearrange. So we can scale the feature to include monthly, weekly. Under the chart, you can also find more details information about your subscription. So finally, significant change to your subscription usage data will be highlighted. I'm still thinking about bringing more like valuable data out. So you may ask me why. I think my design is very success and the solution is better than other product. First, my app provides a complete visualization of all existing subscriptions, giving the user a full picture of what apps they are using. Second, users can see how many hours per month they are using these subscriptions, giving them ideas of where they may be wasting money. Future version design will be included, mobile version as well. So subscriptions will be charted in a dynamic way so you can categorize the data, compare price, and discover possible solutions or find a better solution for your price. So thank you for the opportunity to participate in this project. I would like to talk to you more about a future solution. Thank you.